Hello, this is a little introduction into the light version of ActivInspire. I hope that when you go out to teach, you will get a professional version, which offers many more options than this one. But this is a light version, and it allows you to view other people's work, other people's flip charts, and create some decent projects. First of all, there's this toolbar that you can very easily identify the purpose of, and there's a left pane, just like in PowerPoint. There's a left pane where you can see what's going on when you edit and move to one page, which is the word within ActivInspire for slides in PowerPoint. And you can move around a page, or you can change the order. Now, this page browser, the browser, it is the way you work with the editor. For example, there's another browser which is called Resources, and it's considered of my resources, which you save there, and Shared Resources. In Shared Resources you can find a lot of great stuff, including the stuff for your subjects, for art and language arts and biology and so on. There is an interesting thing, this object browser, where you play with layers. We'll talk about it a little bit later. It's a unique thing. There is nothing of this kind in PowerPoint or in any other program. The so-called property browser, which allows you to program some interesting things, but not many in the light version. And finally, there is what is called ActivInspire expression devices. It's something that we cannot do it. We can only do it in class when students are offered handhelds, and they enter their choices through the handhelds while looking at the smartboard. Now let's look at this toolbar. Everything is done through select. When you want to move from one tool to another, you have to choose the select. Let's start with text editor. It's just a regular text editor, and you can use it to type anything you want. And the beauty of it is that you can, unlike in PowerPoint or anywhere else, you can move it, or you can delete it. It's an interesting thing. You can change the color, and you can change the fonts. There is increase font size, decrease, and what is very important is superscript and subscript, which is important for chemistry and math, for example. Now, you can also write my name is, and so on. You can select the thickness of your pen and the color of your pen, and you can do a lot of other things, and you can always select everything, but you can do it through the select. You can also always select it and delete. Now, there are other options that you may want to try, like, for example, highlighter, which you understand what it is. You can remove everything by clicking on this delete button. So you may want to try all those tools. The going from one page to another is done through using these arrows. That's it for now.